Have you ever wanted a really easy and cheap DIY project? Well, don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are here for you today, and we're going to be talking to you about some easy and cheap DIYs that you can do. Make sure to watch the video to the very end. Redecoration of plates. The first DIY that we have for you is a very easy way to do something creative and simple. For this DIY, you'll only need a plain plate and some chalk and acrylic paint, as well as some ribbon. For this one, you can make something really different. Let's paint the plate first with the white chalk paint, so that other acrylic paint will stick easily to it. Now let's paint something. We chose a daisy, so we're painting the middle of it and then the white petals. At the end, we're adding a pretty similar themed bow to it, and you can do the same. And voila, you're done. You can use it as a painting of your very own. The canvas is a little bit different, but it's a really cool DIY. Sign of your dreams. The second DIY is also going to involve chalk paint, so don't forget to buy a lot of it. We're going to make a sign that you can hang wherever you want. Why spend money on buying a sign when you can make it yourself? Firstly, paint the inside of a picture frame with whatever color you want. We're choosing white. Add the color that you want using a stencil and a stencil sponge. Paint the sentences you want. You can do it yourself, but surely this is an easier way. Remember to dab it, don't smudge or brush. At the end, add some flowers to add depth to the sign, but don't worry, you can do whatever your preference wants. Flower bouquet. For this one, get a wire mesh basket, some white scarf, and a pink ribbon. Of course, these are the colors we chose. You can choose other ones. Cut out the bottom of the basket, flatten the middle like we are doing right here. Cover it with a white scarf, glue it to the basket, and wrap the ribbon in the middle, connecting the wires. Next, add some decoration. You can see how beautiful this bouquet is. It's so cute. Flower pot. For this DIY, you'll need to grab a flower pot and of course the white chalk paint. We're first painting the pot with it and adding a second coat as well. We're using yellow again and painting it with dots of that color using a sponge. Next, get styrofoam, cut in the middle and put it inside. That way you can stick your flowers inside. At the end, we're adding some butterflies on a ribbon and also gluing this to the basket. Guys, this looks so amazing, you can't deny it. Guys, for the last DIY, we are going to make some really cute coasters. You're first going to need square pieces of some thin wood. Let's start by covering them with white chalk paint. Then, glue napkins to it by putting the square on the napkin and cutting the piece big enough to cover the square from one side. You can also hot glue gun it all together. It'll stick better that way. At the end, we're adding black acrylic paint at the sides to smoothen the edges. Now look at it. Doesn't this look so cool? But don't worry, we're not done yet. At last, you can add the ribbon like we did, but you can add any decorations you want. If you want to follow our steps exactly how we did, then go for it. Anyways, guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one. And until we see you guys next time, have a great rest of your day and make sure to stay tuned for all of our next content. Bye now!